Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase vocabulary acquisition with LingQ step by step clearly. Start by creating an account on LingQ's website. Once you have your account, log into the platform. Familiarize yourself with the user interface. Navigate to the learning section of the dashboard. Explore the extensive library of content available. Choose a language you want to improve. Select a text that interests you. Read through the text and highlight any unfamiliar words. Click on the highlighted words to see their meanings. Save these words to your personal vocabulary list. Make use of the audio features to listen to the pronunciation. Repeat the unfamiliar words out loud to practice. Review your saved vocabulary list regularly. Test yourself by taking short quizzes on the words. Engage with the content by reading it multiple times. Use the flashcard feature to reinforce your memory. Integrate words learned into daily conversations. Set realistic goals for how many new words to learn each week. Regularly immerse yourself in the target language outside of LingQ. Consider adding more complex texts as you improve. Join LingQ's community for discussions and additional support. Monitor your progress to stay motivated and make adjustments. Use LingQ's mobile app for learning on the go. Continue exploring new content to keep your experience fresh. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.